Stop talking. Yes, right now. Because the real power in communication is not in what you say, it's in what you don't say. The most confident speakers in the world don't rush. They pause, they breathe, they control silence. And today, you're going to learn how to use silent power to sound more confident, more persuasive, and more impactful. What is silent power? Silent power is the ability to use pauses intentionally in your speech to control attention, create impact, show confidence, make your message memorable. Most people think speaking fluently means speaking nonstop. That's wrong. Fluency is not speed. Fluency is control. The biggest mistake. People are afraid of silence. So what do? They use fillers. They rush their sentences. They speak without thinking. This makes them sound nervous, unprepared, less confident. But powerful speakers do the opposite. They pause, and they own the silence. Why pauses make you sound powerful? 1. Pauses show confidence. When you pause, you send a message. I'm in control. Nervous people rush. Confident people slow down. 2. Pauses create emphasis. Compare this. This is very important. This is very important. The pause makes the sentence hit harder. 3 pauses help you think clearly instead of saying, I think, maybe, we should. Say, I think, pause, we should start now. Cleaner, stronger, smarter. 4. Pauses make people listen. Silence creates curiosity. When you pause, people lean in. They wait. They focus. Types of powerful pauses. 1. The thinking pause used when you need time to think. Example. That's a good question. Pause. I believe the answer is 2. The emphasis pause. Used before or after an important point. Example. Remember this. Pause. Consistency is everything. 3. The emotional pause used to show feeling. Example. I worked for years, pause, and finally achieved it. 4. The transition pause used when changing ideas. Example. We discussed the problem. Pause. Now, let's talk about the solution. Real-life speaking example. Without pauses. Today I want to talk about success, and success is important because it helps you grow and improve your life. With pauses. Today, I want to talk about success. Pause. Because success, pause, changes everything. Which one sounds powerful? Exactly. How to practice Silent Power 1. Replace fillers with silence instead of, I think. Say, I think. Pause. 2. Read aloud with pauses. Take any paragraph and pause after commas. Pause after full stops. Add dramatic pauses. 3. Record yourself, listen, and ask, am I rushing? Am I using fillers? Am I pausing effectively? 4. Use the 2-second rule. Before answering a question, pause for 2 seconds. It makes you sound thoughtful and confident. 5. Practice slow speaking. Speak 20–30% slower than normal. This naturally creates powerful pauses. Pro tip, advanced level. Use silence to control the room. Say something important. Then pause. Don't rush to explain. Let your words sink in. That silence That's authority. Mini practice exercise. Try this now. Say this sentence with pauses. I have something important to tell you. Now say it like this. I have something, pause, important, pause, to tell you. Feel the difference? That's silent power. Mindset. Shift. Stop fearing silence. Silence is not awkward. Silence is powerful. It shows confidence, control, clarity. Final message. Great speakers don't fill every second with words. They use silence like a weapon. So, next time you speak, don't rush, don't panic, don't fill the gaps. Pause, because sometimes the most powerful thing you can say is nothing at all.